Hello everyone, for grade 11th, subject accountancy. This is third video of first chapter, meaning and objectives of accounting. In previous two videos we have studied meaning, characteristics, objectives and functions of accounting. Today I am going to start with three topics: bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Now first of all comes the meaning of bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is art of recording the business transactions. Bookkeeping is only an art of recording the business transactions. In bookkeeping, we identify the transactions to be recorded in accounts. We record the transactions and we classify the transactions into different separate accounts. This is just recording of business transaction. And after bookkeeping, it comes accounting. It starts where bookkeeping ends. It includes summarizing the whole accounts, then analyzing. Analyzing means finding the results. And after analyzing, communicating the results to various parties, to the owners, employees or money lenders or whatever. So, bookkeeping is just an art of recording business transactions, whereas accounting, it starts where the bookkeeping ends and it involves finding the results and communicating the results, finding of the results and communication of the results. Now the third term comes accountancy. It is systematic knowledge of accounting concepts, principles and techniques. It is systematic knowledge of accounting concepts, principles and techniques. Basically, this is your subject. Accountancy is your subject in which you learn how to prepare accounts and how to use the concepts and principles and techniques of accounting. This is accountancy. Just recording is called bookkeeping. Finding the results of the whole financial year is called accounting. And in the subject in which you learn how to prepare accounts, the systematic use of concepts, knowledge and principles of accounting, that is called accountancy. Got my point? Now look at the difference between the two concepts. The second concept is difference between bookkeeping and accounting. On the basis of scope, in bookkeeping we record identifying the transactions to be record the transactions and classify the transactions. Whereas accounting, in addition to bookkeeping, after all these three steps, we summarize the transactions, total of all the accounts, then analyzing the results and communicating those results to various parties. This is a narrow term, this is a wider term. Stage, this is a primary